English Daily Practice 70 Essential Phrases for Fluent Communication. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's start.
Could you please tell me where I can find the nearest supermarket? I am just looking around, thank you. I do not need any help. I would like to pay by card, if that is okay with you. Excuse me, do you know what time the store usually closes? I think we should leave a little earlier to avoid the traffic. Can you please turn the music down a bit? It is too loud. I am trying to eat healthier, but I still crave sweets sometimes. I will call you when I get home, so you know I am safe. It is getting late, we should probably head home soon. I forgot to buy milk again. I really need to make a list. Do you want me to help you with those heavy bags? Let me know if you need anything else from the store. It is raining quite heavily. Do you have an umbrella with you? I will be a bit late because the bus did not arrive on time. Sorry for the mess. I have not had time to clean today. I will make some tea. Do you want one as well? I need to charge my phone. The battery is almost dead. I am going to take a quick shower before we leave. Can you please pass me the salt? It is right next to you. I have been waiting for the bus for more than 20 minutes. I will text you when I am on my way, so you can get ready. The internet is not working again. I think we should restart the router. I am really tired today. I think I will go to bed early. Can you believe how cold it suddenly got this evening? I will stop by the pharmacy after work to get some medicine. Do you know if there is parking available near that restaurant? I really need a break. It has been a very long week. I am meeting a friend for coffee later this afternoon. Let us order some food. I am too tired to cook tonight. Can we sit by the window? I like the light better there. I cannot find my keys anywhere. I swear they were on the table.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.
The traffic was terrible this morning. It took me an hour to get here. I forgot to bring my wallet. Can I pay you back later? I will send you the address, so you can find it easily. It feels so good to finally sit down after a long day. I have been trying to drink more water, but I keep forgetting. I think it is going to rain soon. The sky looks really dark. Could you please close the window? It is getting a bit chilly. I need to stop by the bank to withdraw some cash. I think we should do the groceries tomorrow morning instead. Can you remind me to call my mum when we get home? It has been a long time since we last met in person. Let us take a short walk. I need some fresh air. I have to wake up early tomorrow, so I better go to sleep soon. I will wash the dishes after dinner. Do not worry about it. Can we watch something funny? I really need to relax tonight. I cannot believe how quickly this week has gone by. I think we are out of coffee. I will buy some tomorrow. I will meet you at the entrance, so we can go together. I need to check my emails before I go to bed tonight. I have been thinking about getting a new phone soon. Can we take a photo together? The light looks perfect right now. I am not sure what to wear. The weather keeps changing. I will grab a quick snack before the meeting starts. Please let me know when you get home, so I do not worry. I am going to clean the kitchen after I finish my coffee. I think we should go for a walk. The weather is beautiful today. I have to remember to take my medicine before going to sleep. Can you please help me carry these boxes to the car? I will pick you up at 7, if that time works for you. The coffee is too hot. I will wait a bit before drinking. I need to buy some groceries. The fridge is almost empty. Can we open the window? It feels a little stuffy in here. I will text you when I am ready. Just give me 10 minutes. I have been sitting all day. I really need to stretch. I think we are running late. Let us take a taxi instead. I have been cleaning the house all day. I am completely exhausted. I will call the restaurant to book a table for tonight. I cannot believe how fast the weekend went by again. Let us watch a movie and just relax for the rest of the night. Can you help me with this? Let me know when you arrive.
If you like this lesson, tap like, hit subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comments.